This lesson is about the order of operations. The order of operations is the order in which we want to solve an equation. Some operations are more important than others, so we should do them before we do the next, and others are less important, and so we leave them until the end. For that, I need you to remember BEDMAS. It's very important. BEDMAS stands for the following. B is for brackets, E for exponents, D for division, M for multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction. And remember this pyramid. At the top of the pyramid, we've got the king of all of the operations, which is the brackets. And it also is the beginning of our word BEDMAS. Brackets is the most important. If you find brackets in an equation, you start with them. If you don't find any brackets, the next most important thing to look for is exponents. But if you don't find these, you look for division and multiplication. They are equally as important as each other. And then the last, which is the least important, is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction are also equally as important as each other. So I want you to look at the examples right here. In this example, we've got three operations. We've got addition, we've got subtraction, and we've got multiplication. And according to BEDMAS, multiplication and division are more important than addition and subtraction. So since I find multiplication here, I will start with it. This would be my number one. 2 times 1, that would be 2. And so I rewrite the equation. So 1 plus 3 minus 2. Now I have only addition and subtraction. And when I only have addition and subtractions, since they are of the same value according to the BEDMAS pyramid over here, I need to start from left, which is right here, to right. And this is how you solve your equation if you have operations that are of equal importance. So 1 plus 3 is 4, and we write it down, and then we're left with minus 2. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer to this equation is 2. Another example here is very similar. We only have addition and subtraction. And since addition and subtraction are of the same importance as the BEDMAS pyramid, I will start from left to right and work my way like that. 5 plus 2 is 7. And then 7 minus 4 plus 3. This is what I end up with. 7 minus 4 is 3. And so I'm left with 3 plus 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. And this is the answer to this operation. Again, here we have multiplication and division are of the same importance as each other. So I will start from left to right. 5 times 4 is 20. And I want to divide the 20 by 2, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. Let's do some further examples to reinforce this new concept. We have here three operations: subtraction, division, and addition. According to the BEDMAS pyramid, division is more important, so I will start with this operation first. 24 divided by 3, this is 8, so I will rewrite the equation: 60 minus 8 plus 12. Now, since they are of equal importance, I will start from left to right and move my way like that. 60 minus 8 is 52, and then I'm left with plus 12. 52 plus 12, that is normal addition. 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer to this equation is 64. This equation has division, addition, and multiplication. So I will start with the ones that are more important, which are division and multiplication. We start with division. 9 divided by 3, that is 3. So I'll write it down. 3 plus 7 times 2. And then we have multiplication here. 7 times 2 is 14. So 3 plus 14. And our answer is 17. In this example, we have brackets, and brackets are the king of all operations. So we must start with brackets. Even though there is an addition here, and addition is one of the least important ones, we always start with the brackets. 7 plus 17 is 24. So I start with this one first. So 24 divided by 40 divided by 5. Again, I have brackets here, and brackets are the king of operations. So I will do 40 divided by 5, and the answer to that is 8. This gives me 24 divided by 8, and the answer is 3. This example has exponents. I have addition, I have division, I have an exponent, and I have subtraction. The most important one in this equation is the exponent. So I will rewrite the equation, 2 plus 28 divided by 4, because 2 to the power of 2 is 4, minus 1. Now I have division, it's the most important one. 28 divided by 4 is 7. So I will do 2 plus 7 minus 1. Since all of the operations here are of equal importance, I will start from left to right. 2 plus 7 is 9. So 9 minus 1, that is 8.